Welcome to Erchonia's new corporate headquarters just outside of Greenville, South Carolina. Come on inside, let's take a look. We couldn't be more excited to show you our new 25,000 square foot manufacturing facility here in Greenville, South Carolina. So let's go on and take a look. Here you've got Erchonia's internal sales team cubicles, where on a day-to-day basis we will be making outgoing phone calls to customers such as yourself. Over here is kind of our trophy case of some of the different people that we've worked with in the past. So up here you have John Bon Jovi. He is an avid Erchonia laser user. So we've got Tico Torres and his personal laser here. He lasers pre-concert every single time just to really help those vocals out as well as post. Here you've got some professional sports teams. And then down here you've got all of the different lasers throughout the 6 Tour de France's that Lance Armstrong had won. So the entire US cycling team was using the Erchonia laser throughout. And over here you've got the first Erchonia laser and then the different iterations of our devices throughout the years. For those of you that don't know, Erchonia is a family-owned and operated company founded in 1996. And we really got our start from our grandfather who had some medical issues, and he needed some modalities to help out with the particular issues he had. So there was doctors in the area that were using laser therapy, but it only existed over in Europe and Sweden. So with that, we created the very first Erchonia laser here in the United States. We were garnered FDA clearance in 2002, and since then we've garnered a total of 22 FDA clearances. So it really started from a personal necessity, and that's where this all came from. And here we've got our conference room. And then we'll walk you back through. Over here we have our VP of Sales and Marketing, Charlie Shanks' office. Joseph Zapolsky, our International Sales Director. And then my office, our US Sales Director. And over here we have some additional internal sales representatives, cubicles for making outgoing calls and speaking with customers about our products. This is Zachariah Wilson here. And Mr. James Shanks, our Emerald Laser Director. This is where it gets fun. So for those of you that don't know, Erchonia Corporation is 85% self-reliant in all facets of our company. Starting with the manufacturing of our products, we take parts of raw materials such as aluminum or plastic, we cut those parts down to size, and ultimately manufacture the items needed for the lasers that we develop and manufacture. So this is one of our Haas VF4s. This is a 5-axis device or system here, very, very high tech. Over here we have a machine running. It's a little hard to see in there as it is currently live. But we will put an item like this. This is aircraft aluminum, which we use on all of our devices, inside of the machine. It'll do its first operation. And this particular part is the touch screen bracket on the FX635, FX405, and the Emerald laser. Then when it's fully completed, this is just one of 1,917 parts that Erchonia manufactures here in-house. This month alone, we've manufactured 20,428 parts and items in the machine shop. Over here, we've got some different machines, including our automated lathe. So we will take a bar, put it inside here, and this thing can run the entire night. It's completely automated, cutting the parts to exact precision. But as I mentioned, we are 85% self-reliant in all facets of our company. So starting here in the CNC machine shop where we cut parts from raw materials, we do everything else in-house. 15% that we outsource to US-based companies. So our products are 100% American made. And here's our production department, where all of the parts that they cut out there and additional parts that we may order come in, and all devices are assembled here in-house. So this is our FX635 and FX405 section. As you can see, Eric is putting together the laser diode and the motor portion of the FX series lasers. You can see these are the head assemblies, which ultimately go on the base of the device, and then over here is our bases. And as I mentioned, 1,917 items here on site for all the different product lines that we manufacture. Over here is our Lunula laser department, as well as where they create the charging bases. So these are the charging bases for the Erchonia laser. As you can see, they're currently manufacturing those and assembling them. Next, we'll walk you into where the handheld lasers get assembled. So this is where all of the handheld lasers get assembled, put together. As you can see, he's doing a large run of the accelerate lasers at the moment. And if we walk over here, hey Jeremy. Over here, we've got the laser diodes, and he's potting the laser diodes into the laser heads. And we assemble probably 100 to 150 devices per month. Next, we have our Emerald Laser Assembly Department, where Mark Shanks and Chris are putting together our devices. So you can see the head assembly of the Emerald Laser and the base assembly here being put together. And a cool fact, these are one of the internal components that is cut in our CNC machine shop through our lathe. As I mentioned, one of 1,917 parts that we have here at Erchonia. Over here, they're putting together the adjuster and percussor units. And in this department is our service and repair division. Now, I always like to point out that our service and repair division is one of our smaller departments, because even though we've been around for 27 going on 28 years, our products are extraordinarily reliable and durable, and they are meant to last throughout the ages. Next in here is our quality control department. So we have to have a completely separated department for our quality control. All of our products go through extremely rigorous testing. We are FDA, ISO, OSHA, and MDSAP compliant. So all products go through very rigorous testing before going out the door to our customers. Next, this is our shipping and receiving department, as well as our product storage warehouse. So in here, we have our loading docks where we will ship our larger devices out. And we ship about 348 products per month worldwide. For those of you that don't know, we are in 48 countries around the world. And we also have an office over in the UK, which oversees all of Europe. And next, we'll walk you back up front. So in here is our seminar room. Now, as a company, we are strongly dedicated to education, and we host around 60 seminars per year to continually give our doctors more information about the cutting-edge advancements in low-level laser therapy. This weekend, we are hosting a live stream seminar where doctors around the world can tune in and get more information about our technology. In here is our R&D department, where new projects are being created and developed. This is our software engineer's office, Dylan Heitkamp. And then our lead engineer, Jeremy Dusek. And then we'll circle back around to the front side of the building. And then our clinical trial department, Mr. Travis Stammons, and our present owner, Mr. Steve Shanks, over there in the back. Then we have some of our marketing team here. That's Adriana Shanks. And then Miss Sarah Bell. And Mr. Aaron Shanks from our marketing department. And then we circle right around to the front. So thank you for going on this guided virtual tour with us, and we hope to see you here soon. If you're ever in the Greenville, South Carolina area, please stop by. We'd be more than happy to give you an on-site tour. Have a great day.